Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by launching Paint 3D and creating a fresh canvas so you can work quickly. Once done, set your canvas size explicitly, pixels or percent, because that controls export resolution. Next, import the base image or reference via insert or drag and drop, and use the lock aspect option to prevent accidental stretching. While you're here, pick a default background color and save an initial version so you can revert if experiments don't work. Now focus on building depth and composition. You'll alternate between 2D brushes for texture and the 3D tools for form because they serve different purposes. Make precise selections with Select, then crop or change canvas properties. Group related elements so you can move them together. Once you place a 3D object, adjust its depth, rotation, and material properties and tweak scene lighting to match shadows. Make sure to frequently use Ctrl+Z for quick undo, and save incremental versions to track progress. Finish by cleaning edges and blending elements so your composition reads as a single scene. Use Eraser and Smooth, then add subtle brush highlights for cohesion. When ready, export a 2D file like PNG or JPEG for images, or export FBX/GLB if you need a 3D asset. Choose file type based on where it will be used. If Paint 3D becomes unresponsive, reset the app from Settings or reinstall from Microsoft Store. Also check for GPU driver updates to resolve performance issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.